Students, I hope you all are fine. So today again we are going to continue with our tenses. So today I will tell you about simple past, simple future, past continuous tenses. Now let's begin with simple past tense. So following rules to be followed while doing the simple past tense. So three kinds of sentences are there: affirmative, negative and interrogative. For for simple past tense, in affirmative form, subject comes first, then second form of the verb, then comes object. For example, he worked hard. Work is the first form of the verb here. He is the subject and hard is the object. So we will change into he worked hard. So here comes worked is the second form of the verb. So if we want to change the same sentence into negative one, so how we will change? Subject, then comes did, then comes first form of the verb, then comes object. For example, he worked hard. Then come the answer will be he did not work hard. So in place of worked we have used the first form of the verb with did. Then if we want to change into interrogative forms, again we will use the rules. Then did comes first, then subject, then first form of the verb plus object, then at the last question mark. For example, he worked hard. Now we will change into did he work hard. When we are using did, then we have to use the first form of the verb. Now next comes simple future tense. So again we have to follow some rules. For this, three kinds of sentences are there, like affirmative, negative and interrogative. For affirmative sentences, first comes subject, then he or she sorry will or shall we have to use according to singular and plural. Then comes the first form of the verb, then comes object. For example, we went for a walk. Here went is the second form of the verb, so when we are going to change into first form, the answer will be we will go for a walk. Now if we want to change it, this same sentence into a negative form, first comes subject, then will, then not, plus first form of the verb plus object. For example, he will work hard next time. Again in negative form, the answer will be he will not work hard next time. So now next comes interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences, in this we will use will first, then comes subject, then first form of the verb, then objects and ends with a question mark. Again an example for you: he will work hard, will he work hard, and at the last question mark. Now come to our next concept, past continuous tense. So again we have to follow some rules to do this part. First one is subject comes, then was, were plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. This was and were we have to use it according to singular or plural. Suppose the singular nouns are there like he, she, it, then we will use was. If the subject is plural, then we will use were sorry. Now again three forms of sentences: affirmative, negative and interrogative. In affirmative sentences, first comes subject, then was or were according to singular or plural you have to use, then comes first form of the verb plus ing plus object. For example, they read a book, and the answer will be they were reading a book. And if you want to change the same sentences into a negative form, then we will say subject plus was or were according to singular or plural, then comes not plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. And example is again for you: they read a book, they were not reading a book. Read is the first form of the verb. According to rules, we have to use ing with the first form of the verb. If the sentence is interrogative, then again we have to was or were comes first, then comes subject, then first form of the verb plus ing plus question mark. Again an example, they read a book, were they reading a book, ends with the question mark. I hope the concept is clear to all of you. Thanks. Have a nice day.